In this video, I'll quickly show you how to write in DocuSign and add text fields to your documents with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. To start, head over to the DocuSign website or open the app and sign in. Once you're on your dashboard, choose the agreement you want to work with. You can create a new one or select an existing document. When the document opens in the editor, look for the toolbar on the left. Click on the text field option, then drag and drop it onto your document where you want text to appear. You can resize or reposition it anytime and add multiple fields if needed for contracts or forms. Before finishing, double check that all fields are properly aligned. Once you're happy, save and send your document. And that's it. You now know how to write in DocuSign quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.